Easter Bunny Nutcracker, Part 5, Carrot and Final Assembly. Welcome back, everybody. In this video, I'm going to make the base and assemble the rabbit. Here I have a block of wood, obviously already cut down to the size I want for the base, and cut down to 3/8 inch thick. It's just oak. I'm going to cut the sides off with a 40-degree taper to kind of give the effect similar to that on the Christmas themed Nutcracker. So I'll just go cut these off and be right back. There you have it. That's how I cut out the taper. Off in one section here. Now I'm going to go paint this green, like grass, for the rabbit to stand on. Alright, here we have everything laid out. Got my stand, which I need to, it's a little tacky yet, but I just painted it. Got the rabbit here. We're going to just assemble it quick. Put that guy in there. Push this through from the right spot. There we go. We'll get the arms on. And I'll probably glue those in place. For now, they're fine like that. Ha! I'm the Easter Bunny. Yep. Ha! Ah! Ah! See, I like the pink I made in his mouth there. And so what we got so far. It's all painted up. Wish I did a little better on the eyes, but it's pretty good. Yep, not too bad. You really should make a Nutcracker. Plans are available on jeplans.com. Yes. Listen to the rabbit. Decided I'm going to try and make a carrot for the rabbit to hold. This pattern I come up with, it's a little different than some of my others because I don't have a clear flat side to leave to hold it all together. But I think I'm going to modify it a little bit. I'm kind of leave the front flat and just kind of go to exit holes here and here. And kind of do the same thing on this side. So that we'll go in and cut it out around, and then when we cut off this side I can just carve that to a point. Oh, jeez. Well, that might be alright. I got some though. There we go. There's my attempt at a carrot, so I gotta just sand that to a point a little bit, carve it a little bit, and paint it up. Okay, so here it is a little cleaned up. Haven't painted it yet, but kind of comes out a little from the side. It's obviously I'll glue this in here. It's a little heavy on the back side. So on the plan I'll probably make the front a little longer. Here's how I painted up my carrot. There we have it glued in his hand, the carrot. Looks pretty good. Yeah, I got a carrot, that's right! Yeah, carrot! So there we have the Easter Bunny Nutcracker with his carrot and his basket of goodies. Yeah, basket of goodies, yeah! Thanks for watching the making of the Easter Bunny Nutcracker. Plans are available from my website, japlans.com. Of course, subscribe and come back again sometime. Thank you.